Hello, today I will show you how to find the surface area in the different shapes. Let's start first, surface area of cube. As we know, the cube has 6 sides and all 6 sides are the same. So if we have 5 centimeter here, that means everywhere it's a 5 centimeter. So this side is going to be 5, this side is going to be 5, this side is going to be 5, everywhere. And the formula to find first we need to find the area of each side. So let's say side 1. So the formula is 6, you multiply by a square. A we will replace with our number. So how we going to find it? We have a 6 times, I replace a with my 5, it's gonna be 5 square, then I'm gonna have again 6 times 5 square, it's 25, so our area, it's gonna be, our surface area is gonna be 150 centimeter square. So again, this is our formula, we have our a side, which is 5, we can change it with something else. Let's say we change it with 7. If we have it 7, it's gonna be 6 times 7 square, and again 6 times 7 square is gonna be 49, and then 6 times 49 is 294. So this is your surface area in the cuboid if you have a side 7, for instance. Next example, if we have cuboid. Again, the cuboid as a cube also has 6 sides, but this time the sides, they're not the same. They are 4 the same, so the front, the back, on the top and on the bottom, they're the same, and our 2 left and right sides also they're the same. So first what we need to do before we find the surface area, we need to find the area of each side. So I need to find 6 areas. The formula to find the area of the cuboid is your length, you multiply by your width. Let's say I have 5 centimeter here, 3 centimeter here, and 3 centimeter here. So first I need to find side 1. This is my side 1. So my side 1, what I need to do, I need to multiply 5 and 3. So 5 times 3, it's 15. Side 2 is on the back, so it's exactly the same. So you just copy your 15. Then side 3, let's say this is our side 3. What I have 3 and 3. You just again use the formula. 3 times 3, it's 9. Side 4, it's that side here, which is exactly the same. So you just copy 9. Then we need to find side 5. For instance, this is our top. So what I have again, I have a 5 and 3 here. So 5 times 3, which is again 15. And side 6 is on the bottom, that one here. I have again 5 and 3. So it's again 15. So how you're gonna find it? You just plus it. So you have 15, 15 again, 9, 9, 15, 15, 10, 20, 78 centimeter square. So we found our surface area in our cuboid. So once again, how we can find the surface area of the cuboid. First, we need to find all sides of our cuboid. The cuboid has 6 sides. So we found side 1, side 2, it's exactly the same, which is on the back. Side 3, this one here. Side 4, which is exactly the same. Side 5 and 6. So we have our sides. When we plus it, we're gonna have 78 centimeters square. So this is our surface area on our cuboid. Let's look at another example. This time we have L-shaped prism. Before we start, let's see how many sides I have. So let's count. We have a side 1. On the back, it's gonna be side 2, side 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. Right, so L-shaped prism has 8 sides. So I need to find all 8 sides first, and after that to plus it, and I will find my surface area. What I'm doing first, I'm making a copy on my side 1, which I created over here. So this is my side 1, and I'm just adding the measurement which I have. So here I have 15. Then I have here 8. I don't know that side, we will find later. I don't know this side as well. This side here is 5, so you copy 5, and that one here is 12. Right, so now I need to find this side and that one here. Let's find first here. I have my longest one, which is 15, then I have a part here on the top, which is 5, so 15 minus 5 is 10, so my side here is 10, because 5 plus 10 is gonna be 15, so 15. I found my side here. Let's find that small one here. I have the full side here, which is 12, and then I have 8 over here, so 12 minus 8, it's 4, so I found and my side 4. So now, before I start, I need to divide my L-shaped prism in a rectangle. So again, I can use my formula to find the area of rectangle. So let's divide my L shape, let's say like this. So this is my first rectangle, this is my second rectangle. So what I have here, I have 15 and 8. So 15 times 8, 15 times 8 is 120. And here I have 5 and 4, which we found, which is 20. So I need to plus now my first rectangle and my second rectangle. So we're gonna have the area of my L shape. So 20 plus 120 is gonna be 140. So I found side 1, 140. So this is my side 1, which is 140. I don't have to calculate side 2 because it's exactly the same on the back. So you just copy side 2, 140. Now let's find side 3. What I have? I have 6 and I have 8 here. So side 3 is gonna be 6 times 8, which is 48. I found in side 3. Let's find side 4, which is the one here. I have 6 here and that side we found is 10. This is the side here, so I have 10 and 6, so you multiply 10 and 6, which is 60 centimeter square. Then I need to find my side 5, which is the one here. I have 6 here, and then this small one which we found, it's 4, so I have 4 and 6. I need to multiply 4 and 6, which is 24 centimeter square. I found my side 5. Let's find side 6, which is here on the top. I have 6 here and 5, so my side 6 is 6 times 5, which is 30. Then I need to find my side 7, which is the one on the back. What I have 12 and 15, so you multiply 12 and 15. 12 times 15 is 180. And now I need to find the last one, which is on the bottom. I have 15 and 6. I have 15 and 6. And this is 90. So now I have all my sides. So what I have to do, I need to plus all of them. So I have 140 ones, then again 140, then I have 48, then I have 60, 24, 30, 180, and then the last one is 90. So my surface area is 712 centimeter square. Let's now look at example 2. Again, I have my L-shape prism, and I make a copy here of my side 1. So once again, let's count them. 1 on the back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's on the bottom, so I have 8. Again, you need to use your formula for your rectangle to find your areas, and when you find all the 8 areas, you plus it, and you're going to find your surface area of your L-shaped prism. So you make a copy of your side 1, which I make it here, and let's copy the numbers and the measurement. I have 16 here, then I have 20 here, I have 7 here, then I have 11, I don't know that side, and this side, I don't know these two sides. So let's find them. So I have 20, the longest, and then I have 11, so that means here it's gonna be 9, because 20 minus 11 is 9. If you plus it 9 and 11, you're gonna have a 20. So I have 16 here and 7 here, so 16 minus 7 is 9, so this side is 9. So you have now all the measurement. Let's again divide our L shape in rectangle. So let's say this is my rectangle 1, this is my rectangle 2. So rectangle 1, I have 16 and 9, and I'm using that formula again. 16 times 9, so 16 times 9 is gonna be 144. And now let's find my rectangle 2. This is my rectangle 2. I have 11 and 7. So 7 times 11 is gonna be 77. So we need to plus my two rectangles. So I have 77 plus 144, and this is gonna be 221. So my side 1 is 221 centimeter square. So I find side 1. As we said of the previous example, side 2, it's exactly the same, so you don't have to calculate. You just write side 2, 221. And now let's find side 3. I have 80 and I have here, we found it, this side we said is 9. So number 3 is gonna be 80 times 9. So 80 times 9, it's gonna be 720. So I find side 3. Let's find side 4, which is the one here. I have 80 and 9. This is my 9. So side 4, it's gonna be 80 again, multiplied by 9 again, which is again 720. So now I need to find side 5, which is the one here. I have 80 and I have 11. So 80 times 11, which is 880. And then I need to find side 6. I have 80 here and 7 here. So side 6, 80 times 7, which is 560. I need to find now side 7, that one on the back. So my side 7, it's gonna be 20 and 16. So 20 multiplied by 16, it's 320. And then I need to find my side 8, which is the one on the bottom. I have 16 and 80. So 60 multiply 80 is 1280. And now what I have to do, I need to plus all of them so I can find my surface area. So I have 221 as a side 1, side 2 221, side 3 720, side 4 again 720, side 5 880, side 6 560, side 7 320, and side 8 1280. And my surface area is 4922 centimeter square. So now I have my surface area of my L-shaped prism. Right, now let's have a look, one example, when you need to find your surface area, but you have a known site, so you don't know this site. And also you know both cuboids, yeah, this is the cuboids, both cuboids, they have the same surface area, and the question is, you need to find your Y, your missing site. How you need to do that? First, you need to find the surface area. So we have all the numbers here in that cuboid 1. So we're gonna find the surface area in our cuboid 1, and after that we will find your... Now I need to find the surface area of my first cuboid. So let's see what I have. Again, as we discussed, we have 6 sides. So I need to find my side 1, side 2 on the back, side 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my side 1 is 7 and 4. So we're gonna have 7 times 4, which is 28. Then I'm gonna have again 7 times 4, which is again 28. Then I need to find my side 3, which is 4 and 2. So 4 times 2 is gonna be 8, and this side is gonna be exactly the same. So again 8, and now I need to find my side 5 and 6. So my side 5, let's say it's the one of the bottom, is gonna have 7 and 2. So I'm gonna have 7 times 2, which is 14, and again I'm gonna have 7 and 2, let's say on the top, which again is gonna be 40. So my surface area here, when we plus all this number, it's gonna be 100 centimeter square. So my surface area it's 100 centimeter square. Right, let's have a look our cuboid number 2 when we don't have one of the side. So what we have to do first, we use exactly the same formula as you have to find the area of your rectangle. Yeah, so let's say my first side. So what I'm gonna have first, I'm gonna have 2 and y, so we're multiplying 2 times y, which is gonna be 2y. Then the other side, it's exactly the same, so we're gonna have another 2y. So let's find this one here, this side. So what I'm gonna have 2 and 1. So 2 times 1, it's gonna be 2. And as we know, this side here, it's exactly the same, so you just write 2. Now let's find the side of the bottom, what I have, y and 1. So if you multiply y and y, it's gonna be y only, and on the top it's gonna be exactly the same. So when you plus it, you're gonna have 6y times plus 4. Right, now we have our area of the second rectangle. So what we have, we need to just use 6y plus 4 equal 100. This is our surface area. Then we're gonna have 6y equal, so then 4 goes this side. So it's gonna be 100 minus 4. So you're gonna have 6y, it's gonna be 96. Then you're gonna have a y, 96. So 6 goes here, you need to divide. And if we divide 96 by 6, we will see 96 divided by 6 is 16. So we now know our y is 16 centimeter. So now we found our y, 16 centimeter. So let's repeat again what we have to do first. The most important really is to read the question. So what it says in the question, both cuboids have the same surface area. Find y. Right, so we have two cuboids. In the cuboid 1, we have all the sides. So this is gonna be easy now. We found the surface area in our cuboid 1. So we know the cuboid has 6 sides, so we found side by side, let's say side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, 5, and on the back is gonna be side 6. So we found them, these 6 sides, and we said is 100 centimeter square. So now we need to do the same in our cuboid 2, but here we don't have a number, which we're going to find later. So again, you start finding your area. So you have side 1, side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you multiply what you have, and you're gonna have 6y plus 4. Now, out this number, we write as a formula 6y plus 4 equal 100. This is our surface area. And now we start in finding our y. So 6y, so when 4 go in other side, so plus, when it goes here, it's going to be minus. So it's going to be 6y 96, and then y equal 96. When 6 goes to here, you need to divide, and we found our y is 16. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and also if you want to see any particular topic, please leave as a message and I will do it for you. Thank you.